Hi guys, thanks for joining me this morning. This is just going to be another quick unboxing from Sammy So-and-so. I bought a purse, a bag. I bought a bag for my niece, and I didn't get her address, in a very timely manner. So I just asked if Sammy would send it to me, and I haven't even got to see it yet, so I'm super excited. And I went ahead and already cut the tape so you guys didn't have to see me struggle like last time. Not that I would have. It looks like this would have come up pretty easy, but I went ahead and cut it with an X-Acto knife. This packaging is so adorable. Let's see. And then it opens from up there. Duh. Still waking up. But I wanted to get this open and looked at. She'd sent me packing materials also to send to my niece, which was really, really sweet of her. Why do I do that? Why do I put you guys through that? I just cut it, No, instead I'm going to make things really hard on myself. Oh my gosh. So there's a little card for me, a card for my niece, shipping label, and she's so cool. And then one of these cute bags. Oh my gosh. So adorable. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna obviously leave it in all of this packaging. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Oh, she's gonna love it. She did a few different of this kind of design, and I'm not going to attempt to say it because even though I think that I could probably pull it off, I'm not going to embarrass myself and try it. But the Day of the Dead, she really, through the grapevine, I heard she really likes these kind of designs. And Sammy put out a few of these kind of designs, and I got one for my other niece that was able to send straight to her. And she loves it, and so I hope that her sister also loves this. I mean, I'm sure she will. So beautiful. I'm not going to untie it and look at it. I didn't realize it was going to come tied, but in either case, if you do order a bag from Sammy, it's going to come really beautifully packaged. And if you let her know it's a gift, she will send it to the person and make a cute little card. Maybe I'm talking ahead of myself, but I'm pretty sure she'll do that for everybody. I don't think that I'm special. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. Her bags are really beautiful. I'll put a link in my description. And the reason why I'm sharing it with my channel, other than the fact that they're really beautiful, is that you can use them for blanks. And this isn't an ad. We don't have a partnership or anything. I'm still trying to get used to all that stuff, but this is just me sharing something that I really think will be useful to you guys, as well as it's really beautiful, and we all really love beautiful things. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna open it one last time to get a good look. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, bye guys.